Hi, Jessica from the eRank team here, and today I'm going to be showing you a feature in our keyword tool called the columns button. You'll find this button elsewhere on eRank, such as on your listing audits page, but today I'm going to show you how it works in the keyword tool. I've typed in crochet hat as a generic keyword to use for this demo. I'm going to scroll down to the keyword ideas area, and in this big blue box that also contains the keyword match options, you'll see this orange columns button. So before I click it, I'm just going to look at what's already on my chart here. I have keywords, average searches, average clicks, average click-through rate, and Etsy competition. Let's say I also want to see the search trend graphs for the keywords that are listed here and see if they're long tail or not. I can click on columns and I can pick search trend, and I can also click long tail keyword. Let's also throw in character count. Why not? You can go in and click or unclick any of the available options here. Click apply, and then the chart will update itself with the columns that you've just added. This is a great way to see data that you really want to keep an eye on, or filter out things that you're not quite interested in right now. What's great about this is once you add in a column, you can also filter by that column. So for example, I added character count. So if I click on it, it will sort the keywords by character count in either descending or ascending order. You can also use this to remove things. So if I get rid of a bunch of them, click apply again, cleans up the data graph a little bit. You can find this tool throughout eRank, and make sure that you give it a try. You never know what you might discover. We at eRank look forward to helping you grow your Etsy journey. And if you ever have any questions or want to leave any feedback, use the blue button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Have a great day.